Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a teleporter to a spinning portal. First make a part. Then choose block. Make it how you want. Remember to anchor. Name the first part for part 1. And the second part for part 2. Click on the plus icon. Then choose Proximity Prompt. And add a script inside the Proximity Prompt. It's the same for part 2. Then choose Proximity Prompt. And add a script inside the Proximity Prompt. After you are done with scripting, go back to part 1. Add another script for the spinning. Add a decal for the teleport. Copy my ID code or find something you like. The ID is in the description. Face, then choose top. CTRL plus D for duplicate. Take the script and decal to part 2. Go back to part 1 and write 1 in transparency. Do the same thing for part 2. Take part 2 inside part 1. The animation on the portal works. Let's test if it works. It works. Let's go back and add hold duration. Click on Proximity Prompt. Then go to hold duration. Choose how long you want to hold before you teleport. Do the same thing for the other Proximity Prompt. Let's test it out. It works.